Nico, go. Jace, go. Jeff. Andy. Ian. Ed. All right, second heat of Cork Truck underway. That's race number 12. Race number 13. That's the first heat of Nitro. You guys should be getting your cars warm. That's going to be John Davis, Keith, Kurt, Dan Dillon, Chad, Aaron, Andrew, and Bill Shea.
Oh, catching you, so evidently you are slow. More than just feels.
That was cool.
Unplug it and plug it back in.
That was a nice little tucking run. Oh, I didn't. I stayed in my lane. Sorry, I tried your tuck and roll thing. Seems to be a little slow.
Dang it! I just want to catch up to you so I can murder you.
You can murder me? What the hell?
Sounds a little intense.
Yeah, no doubt.
Andy not running, he's not counting. Andy's out? Okay. Alright, we're 2.5 into this one, drivers. Halfway on the master clock. Race leader is going to be Ian, followed by Jace, Jeff, Nico, and Ed. Hot lap, Ian, 35 at 6:13. Right now, Ian's sitting 2 overall. Everybody's chasing Kwong. He's only about 3 seconds off TQ right now. Dickie Burns. Burns.
The car seems to have developed drag brake.
Motor move?
Huh?
Motor move? No, your mesh still sounds okay.
We're a minute 30 left, drivers. 3:30 in, 1:30 to go.
I'm gonna guess I'm driving a little bit faster than you.
And his car's not stopping randomly.
Yeah.
Anymore. You just did it in practice.
Final minute, drivers. Jace now, new race leader, followed by Ian, Jeff, Nico, and Ed.
There's plenty of time for me to fuck that up here.
Oh, I'm upside down, so.
Hopefully I don't fuck it up that bad though.
Dude, the car is like so fast.
So fast we went down the straightaway the exact same.
Really?
Yes.
You have to go full throttle do that double like that?
20 seconds left in this
for
one.
some reason I am having to go way faster than I thought I
Ian
should.
now, to the point again.
I doubt after that lap.
That's time on the master clock. Everybody's still live. Everybody go until I call you done, please. Everybody's still live. Jace, you're the first one done.
That's good, because I wrecked over the button.
Jeff Hart, you are done. Ian's done. Just need Ed and Nico. Nico's out. Alright, just need Ed. Where's Ed? Track's still alive, guys. Track's still alive. I need Ed.